remove, push from here. You have to just push from here this side, just lift up upper and then push this side, so it's removed. And after remove, you have to take small wire brush and you have to clean hairs from inside hairs, and you have to both clean your wheel side here and here with clean cloth. After doing this, your scroll will fix. You see my scroll is fixed as you saw. It's not skipping. Before I do this fixing, my scroll giving lag and skipping my rolling action. Now it's looking good and work perfectly. If you like this type of video, follow my channel. Thank you.